Hey, I'm Dominic with Rooted Theory, and if you are here, you are probably thinking about upgrading your lawn. So let me tell you why CitraBlue St. Augustine might just be the perfect selection for a beautiful, low-maintenance yard. So why CitraBlue? First off, less mowing. It's got a super quick fill-in time, it's drought tolerant, weed and disease resistant, and of course, that beautiful color. What really sets CitraBlue apart is its slower vertical growth. This means fewer mowings, less time spent on yard work, and more weekends enjoying your lawn. You'll also love its rich blue-green color and soft, dense texture that makes your lawn stand out in the neighborhood. And because of that density, CitraBlue naturally chokes out weeds, saving you money and effort on lawn treatments. It's also more drought tolerant than standard St. Augustine, so it uses less water once established. Plus, it's highly disease resistant, giving you a healthier, longer lasting lawn with fewer problems down the road. And unlike many warm season grasses, CitraBlue thrives in partial shade. So whether your yard is full sun, part shade, or a mix of both, you'll get consistent results. Getting started with CitraBlue is simple. First, clear out any existing vegetation so your plugs have a clean foundation. Then bring in amended soil and level it out for proper drainage and healthy root growth. Plant CitraBlue plugs in a grid pattern across your yard, spacing them out evenly so they fill in nicely. Water thoroughly to help the roots establish. For detailed watering recommendations, check the video description below. You can also plant CitraBlue plugs directly into an existing fescue lawn. While this isn't the best or fastest method, over time CitraBlue will spread, outcompete the fescue, and eventually create that thick, blue-green lawn you're looking for. So, if you're looking for a lawn that not only looks beautiful, but can potentially save you lots of time and money, CitraBlue might just be the grass for you. I'm Dominic with Rooted Theory. Stay rooted.